Hey friends, Happy New Year! I hope everyone is off to a good start this year. Today I'm starting with a fridge organization video for my channel. I love doing these the first of the year. It really gets me inspired to eat healthier and just be organized in general. I'm so happy with how this space turned out, and I'm really excited to walk you all through the process so you can do the same in your fridge. It is true what they say, when you have a clear space, you have a clear mind, and that's what I want for all of you in 2021. It's so simple, but you will feel amazing after, so let's get started. I start every organization project the same way. Start by removing everything first. It's gonna make your life a lot easier because then you can lay out where you want everything to go. And then once everything is out, then take inventory of what you have. Get rid of things that are expired. Obviously, you can tell I love hummus, so gotta keep those. But think of this as the purging process. This feels so good to get rid of things that have gone bad and things you just don't use, and that creates so much more space for new food items. After that step, I like to go in and clean everything next. Lucky for us, this is a newer fridge. We just moved into this place a few months back, so all I used this time was disinfecting wipes from Costco, and I did have a helper. Kenzie helped me out, and it was really fun to do together. But if you are needing to do a deep clean and get rid of all of that yuck left on those shelves, I would just use soap and water, wipe them down. I like that not a lot of chemicals are gonna be near your food. Now it's time to get out those organizing bins. I headed to the Container Store, picked up a few things. They were having a great sale, but I also got this 4-piece kitchen bin set at Costco, and I think it was less than $20. And then I also got these IKEA bottles, which I'm going to be storing our water in. I had to come up with a solution to store our meats and cheeses. There is no drawers since we have a double-sided fridge, so I found these shoe drawers at the Container Store and they work perfect. This is my favorite part of every fridge organization I do. I love trying to piece all of the organization bins together. It's kind of like a fun puzzle, and I am so happy with how it all came out. So now it is time to put everything in.
Way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover, yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be.
James and I just started our 30-day detox, and so we can't have any sugar, gluten, soy, dairy, all of the things. So what makes it really helpful for us is cutting up and preparing vegetables or fruits that are just easy to grab. And let's be honest, I just hate those plastic containers that fruit comes in, so I like it to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. These glass containers are gorgeous. I love the wood lids. They are all from IKEA, and they're a really great price.
I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Never been in love, yeah. I'm still waiting for the one.
Another really simple way to make your fridge look organized is take those egg carton containers, get rid of them, put them either in a basket, a bin, whatever is going to be easy and accessible for your family.
sure I get home safe and sound, yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore.
On the top bin, I am storing our lettuces, asparagus, broccoli, etc., all of our green produce, and then the bottom bin, I am putting fruit, any extra veggies that are not in the containers, I will put down there as well. Fun fact is we actually have an extra fridge in our garage from James's business, so we store a lot of our extra products back there, any drinks that we aren't using at that time, or if we have extra of something. So I am putting a Lazy Susan in this fridge. However, I just want to say that Lazy Susans aren't always the solution when organizing because they actually can take up a lot of room. So if you don't have a lot of space to work with, I would just X that. But I did want to make sure I got labels because I really think that's the cherry on top and just brings it all together. I picked up the ones from the Container Store. They are $6.99 and they look so cute on everything. Once I finished laying those labels down, it was complete and I'm so happy with it. It works perfect for our family's needs right now, and that's what you have to keep in mind whenever organizing. Does it work for you and your lifestyle? We are a small family of 3, so I left room, of course, for Kenzie's snacks, but with our food restrictions right now, there wasn't a lot we could do. However, I did leave a bin for leftovers because I know that if we cook something, I want to have a space that I can store it in. And that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments down below. I really hope that this video sparked your imagination and got you excited to start organizing your house for the new year. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you've stuck along this far, thank you so much. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next organization video. Bye!